actually film its actions, it's incredible. Oh, don't go near the fire, you'll die, you fucking idiot.
You're in the way.
Yeah. Yeah. Jasper, you should film the fire. The fire's incredible. I'm watching the thing on the tent, and then I'm watching it through Jasper's screen, and it's like a little creep. It's not very human-like. You know, it's like touching out to see what it's doing. It's reaching everywhere. It's because it can't. I don't think he likes the light. It's much quicker in the dark than the light. White hot today.